G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I'm going to take you through how to accept a Crypto.com Supercharger reward on the Crypto.com app, so that's on your phone. And now, just a quick note, accepting the Supercharger rewards on the app and the exchange are actually two different things, and to accept them on the app and actually receive the rewards, you need to have an exchange account, so it's really, really important. So if you don't already have an exchange account, head down to the description and grab my referral link from there. That'll give you a sign-up bonus if you decide to stake on the exchange, which in my opinion is worth doing, but it's up to you. If you don't use the exchange, then it might not matter. But if you do choose to use that referral code, I really appreciate it. You are awesome. Thank you. Now, jumping into it. Two things. One, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. And also don't forget to hit the like button on this video. That helps me out and helps get it in front of more people who might be asking the same question that you are. So, second thing, this video is in no way financial advice. Shouldn't be taken as such. It's purely entertainment, and that's about it. Do all of your own research before you make any financial decisions. Now, with those things out of the way, grab your phone and let's get started. So on the home screen of your app, hit that crypto.com icon right down in the middle of the bottom, and that'll bring up your switcher. Select Superchargers from there, and that'll bring up your Supercharger balance, and it should say next to whatever coin that action is required because it's in the acceptance period. So in this case, it's the engine coin there. So if you tap on that one, it'll then bring up this screen which is prompting you to accept the rewards. So scroll down, you can see what the details are, what your calculated reward is based on your liquidity. Once you've checked all of that over, remember, once you've accepted this, you can't dispute anything. And then tick that I understand button at the bottom to say you accept that the amount of engine in this calculation is your final reward allocation. And then click that blue accept button. It'll prompt you to confirm, so click accept again. And that's it. You've now got your completed acceptance screen there, confirming all of your details of what your Supercharger reward actually looks like from the app. So that's it. It's actually a really straightforward process to do that acceptance. It can just be a little bit tricky to find it that first time. Now, don't forget, you need to have an exchange account to actually receive those rewards. The exchange account is where all of the Supercharger rewards are paid to. Head on down to the description, grab that referral link, and create your account on the exchange. So, hope you found this helpful. Make sure you like it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. And if you've got any other questions about Crypto.com or other cryptocurrency related queries, other platforms, etc., let me know down in the comments. That's it for me for now. Have an awesome day, and I will catch you next time. Bye.